And welcome back. Here at 2 Works for You, we work to bring you the most accurate forecast. Understanding the terms we use to describe your winter weather is an important factor in keeping you safe. Mobile meteorologist John Haverfield explains some of the different forecasting terms we use.
As we know here in Oklahoma, some winter weather events can be worse than others. That's why the Weather Service puts out different advisories and warnings based on certain criteria. A winter weather advisory is issued when there could be slick spots caused by a couple of inches of snow or light amounts of sleet, but the accumulation is expected to stay below warning criteria. One step up would be a winter storm warning. This is issued when more hazardous conditions are expected, such as 5 inches or more of snow and sometimes sleet is forecasted within 12 hours, and also when strong winds are expected to blow the snow and cause drifts. It is always important to pay attention when these advisories and warnings are issued for your area. As always, you can download our Storm Shield weather app to get winter weather alerts right to your phone to keep you ahead of the changing weather.
Thanks, John. That is the truth. As winter temperatures drop, many of us turn to fireplaces for heat. But that can be a dangerous decision if you haven't prepared your chimney. The steps you need to take before lighting a winter fire and preparing your plants for the inclement weather. Storm Shield meteorologist Taft Price talks with gardening experts about what you need to do.
I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Kirsten Horn. If you love your dogs as much as I love my Griffey, then send me in your photos. I would love to feature them on my dog walking forecast every Monday through Friday, 4:30 to 7 a.m. on 2 Works for You. You can email me, find me on Facebook or on Twitter. I can't wait for your dogs to have their TV debut.